Today I will be showing you how to make your own micellar water. Micellar water you might know as a makeup remover, hydrator and skin toner. I really love this because I have sensitive skin and it's hard to find something that is not irritant to the skin. Micellar water removes my makeup and dirt and grime without irritating it, and today I will show you how to make this yourself. For this recipe, we will be using 2 hydrosols, 1 humectant, 1 surfactant, MSM powder and a preservative. The 2 hydrosols that I've chosen are Micellar Hydrosol and Lavender Hydrosol. They both come from a distillery in France and are a byproduct of essential oils. Basically, they have the same scent as essential oils, but they are mild for the skin, so they don't have any irritants. Our first ingredient, Micellar Hydrosol. It is a great hydrosol for oily skin and helps to fight impurities. It helps to calm redness and irritation and has a really nice scent to it. Our next ingredient is Lavender Hydrosol. Lavender hydrosol comes from the plant Lavender angustifolia and is well known for its aromatic properties. It has calming effects on our nervous system and helps to reduce stress and induce sleep. I actually wrote a blog about lavender the other week, so if you would like to know more about the scientific proven benefits of lavender, please click in the link in the description down below. Lavender hydrosol is great for the skin. It helps to soothe skin inflammation and it even cools your skin in summertime after sunburn or insect bites, so one to put in your pouch for summer. Our next ingredient is glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant. What is a humectant? It is a substance that attracts moisture. Very simple, and it keeps your skin hydrated and fresh during the day. This glycerin is vegetable derived. It's actually from rapeseed oil, so it's palm free, and it's a beautiful moisturizer for your skin. Our next ingredient is MSM powder. MSM powder, here it goes, is methyl sulfonyl methane. It is It's a natural mineral that is actually present in our own body, in all living organisms. And it is responsible for regenerating our skin and producing collagen, for example. Our next ingredient is cocoa betaine. The full name is Cocamidopropyl Betaine. It is derived from coconut and is called a surfactant. A surfactant is a substance that is used to give that foamy texture to shower gels and shampoos and breaks the tension of a surface. So I don't know if you've ever seen a bowl of water and you drop in a little bit of soap and then it flows over. It sort of breaks the tension of the water. This is also what it does on the skin. It helps to remove dirt and grime from the face, and that's why I've added it to the micellar water. Our last ingredient is Leucidal SF Complete. It is a natural preservative derived from coconuts, and it will help to protect your micellar water from contamination. For this recipe, we'll be using 58% of lavender hydrosol and 30% of Micellar Hydrosol. And we will add this to a glass beaker and mix it up. We will be using 5% of glycerin and 1% of MSM powder. We will add the glycerin to the MSM powder and give it a quick stir. Now we will add the MSM powder mix with glycerin to the hydrosol mix. When your water runs clear, you can add the Cocamidopropyl Betaine and then stir it gently. Now we will measure the pH. We use a pH strip for this, but you can also use a pH meter if you like. We have our test paper right here, and we will just dip this strip into the micellar water. It looks like it's just in the middle of 5 and 6, which is perfect because the natural skin pH is 5.5. Even though we don't have to adjust the pH at this point because it's at 5.5, we're still going to add the Leucidal to the mixture. So we will check the pH afterwards to see if it's still in the right zone. For this recipe, we'll be using 1% of Leucidal. Normally, I would add 2 to 4%, but because our hydrosols are already preserved, we don't need to add that much. give it another quick stir, and now we're going to measure the pH again. It looks like the pH is still in the correct zone. So there we go, our micellar water is done. So now we're going to add the micellar water in our container. The container I've chosen is a 100 milliliter bottle with a spray cap. And all you have to do now is pour it in. And there it is, your own micellar water made from natural ingredients that is great for the skin and super easy to make. So you don't want to miss our next videos. We have some amazing recipes coming up. If you want to know more about this, please subscribe to our channel and please like us, because we like it if you like us. So thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.